Here comes the replay. Oh, that's unlucky. That is unlucky. Got to be said. Ubaid Shah, he gets the final laugh. He dismisses Milan Ratnayake for 40. It's very unfortunate to be given LBW. 146 for 9. Ubaid Shah. Sanket giving the full kitchen sink and it gets an inside edge, which has come down to Trevin Matthew. All this time he was the partner that Milan Ratnayake was relying upon. Now he got to make the attacking stuff now. 7 needed of 2.
Important delivery this. 2 balls, 7 remains. Trevin has had a fair look at the bowlers. Has been there for 11 deliveries he's faced and also been involved in the partnership. This one surely going down the leg side, and Sri Lanka would feel hard done and unlucky.
Clearly, that was very unlucky. Milan Ratnayake and Sri Lanka. This has to go for a 4 or at least 3. Not to be. Ubaid Shah saw Trevin Matthew going outside the off stump, follows him, and a precious delivery. Just went for a single. Garuka Sanket, he got 1 delivery, the little man. Not even turned 21. He has 1 ball to score 6 runs against one of the quickest bowlers in the competition.
Yes, the glory ball. He has his chance. But the pace at which Ubaid Shah is bowling, a fuller ball into the stumps will be the safest try. And he's come back, bowled at pace, aimed at stumps, and that is when the things have started to work for him. The slower ones and the shorter ones haven't worked for Ubaid Shah.
Here comes Ubaid Shah for the last ball. Full toss, and young Garuka Sanket miss it. And Ubaid Shah, under pressure, delivers a very good over. The first 3 overs, he was very expensive. When it mattered the most, the raw emotions come out of Ubaid Shah. He bowls the last over for 8 runs to give Pakistan a victory by 6 runs and then join Bangladesh in the finals of the DP World Men's Rising Stars Asia Cup.
Yeah, great moment this for the Pakistan side, coming out of a game which was very tough for them.